Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to replace images in a Canva template, step by step, using one of the templates from my shop. If you've ever been stuck trying to figure out how to work with layers or replace images, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's get started. I've already opened a template from my shop in Canva. This template has a front and a back design, and I'll walk you through how to replace images on both sides. Let's start with the front side. If you try to drag and drop an image into this section, you'll notice it doesn't work. That's because there's an extra layer above the image placeholder. This layer is here to create a specific design effect. To add your image, you'll first need to move this layer temporarily. Here's how you do it. Go to the top right corner and click on Position. In the Position menu, you'll see all the layers listed. Look for the overlay layer. Drag this layer upwards to move it out of the way. Now that the overlay is moved, you can easily click on the image placeholder and replace it with your own photo. Once your image is in place, don't forget to move the layer back to the front to preserve the design effect. Now, let's look at the back side of the template. Here, replacing images is even easier. Simply click on the image placeholder and drag your image into it. If you want to adjust the placement of the image, double-click it and move it around until you're happy with how it looks. Canva makes it super simple to customize. Once you've replaced all the images, take a moment to review your design. Make sure everything looks balanced and that any decorative layers are in the correct position. And that's it. You now have a beautifully customized template ready to download and use. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. And if you're interested in checking out my templates, the link to my shop is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.